Imagine opening WhatsApp to send a quick message, only to be greeted by Meta AI popping up where your search bar used to be. It feels intrusive, unexpected, and maybe even a little annoying. If you've been wondering how to get rid of Meta AI from WhatsApp, you're not alone. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove it. And make sure to stick around till the end. I'll show you a hidden trick for sending video messages on WhatsApp that most people miss. Let's dive into how to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp and get back that clean, classic messaging experience. Method 1. Turn off Meta AI from settings. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the three-dot menu at the top right, Android, or the Settings tab at the bottom, iPhone. Head into Chats and scroll until you see Show Meta AI button. Toggle it off and you're done. Meta AI should disappear from your home screen. Method 2. Clear app cache. If the option isn't visible or Meta AI still shows up, you may need to clear leftover data. For iPhone users, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Find WhatsApp, tap it, then select Offload App. For Android users, long press the WhatsApp icon, tap App Info. Choose Storage or Storage and Cache, tap Clear Cache. Now, restart your phone and check WhatsApp again. Meta AI should be gone. Method 3. Contact WhatsApp support. Still seeing it? Here's a more direct fix. Open WhatsApp. Go to Settings. Help, Contact Us. Write a message asking for Meta AI to be removed from your app. They might request a short video explanation, but don't stress, it's simple, and they usually respond within a few days. Bonus tip. While you're at it, did you know you can send quick, personalized video messages directly in chats? I've linked a short tutorial in the description that shows exactly how. It's a feature that can really upgrade your WhatsApp game. What do you think? Should WhatsApp keep Meta AI, or should it stay optional? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and hit that bell so you never miss a tech tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.